buddy. She's got a little nibble right there. Oh, yeah, we're going right back over there. Right under that rocks. Look at them logs and sticks. There we go. There we go. Check them out. Oh, that's a nice one right there. See? Crackers. Well, wait till y'all see this one. Look at that one right there, buddy. Look at that one. God, that thing is gorgeous. Look at that red eye. Oh, let me get the hook out, buddy. There we go. Let me lay this down. Let it sit right there. Oh, yeah, look at him. Look how beautiful he is. Wow. Cool. Let him go. Thank you. Let's catch another. Get on out of here. Look at that baby crane right there. See him? What are you doing here, buckaroo? I am fishing. Thank you. Come here. Come here. There we go. There we go. Come on, buddy. Oh, yes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Yeah, buddy, nice largemouth. There we go. Finally, we got something good. Oh, man, nice hookup. Oh, it was in there. It wasn't going anywhere, folks. Give it back. There we go. Thank you very much. Oh, that's a beautiful fish. Thank you. Beautiful fish. Man, that was nice. Whew. Boy, they fought like the dickens. All right. Now, I stopped at this pond yesterday on my way home after fishing and filming. And down there, I caught a nice sized little bass. Probably maybe 3/4 of a pound, if that. But nice little fight. Right here, oh my God, I hooked into something that was unbelievable. I'm wanting to say it was probably a grass carp, but I had my ultralight on me, and that's what I had him on. And he shot right, then left, then right, shook his head, and I mean just spit it out. So I came back today with my bass rod. Sink. That's a little bit heavier than I used yesterday too. I used 1/32 ounce. This is 1/16 ounce. So, let's see, can y'all see okay? There we go. Come on, man. Come on back yourself. There we go. Oh, there we go. There he is. There's one right there. Yeah, baby. Right on top of his head. Look at that. Yeah. Hold on. We'll get you undone. Hold on. There we go. Hold on. We'll get you undone. Boy, look at that. Barely even hooked. Where you at? There you are. There we go, people. Nice little bass out of this little pond. Thank you. Perfect. Right, the sun is setting. Oh, look at that nasty. Oh, good. Holy snake. Little wind knot right there. Alright, this time I think I will. There we go. Oh, man. Oh, shoot. Oh, there we go. Oh. Oh, there. Dang it. Let's go back over there with it. Yeah. There we go. Hey. How you doing today? Pretty good. Pardon?
Do I know you?
I'm not for sure, sir.
Oh, okay. You showed up?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
I live across the street over in those apartments over there. I've come over here and fished over here before somebody bought it out.
Yeah, that was us.
Oh, was it? Oh, okay. Well, I apologize if I'm trespassing.
Yeah, we probably rather not.
Okay, no problems.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. You have a good day now. Thank you.